Hi, I'm Betty Sue Halcomb, and I came in to see Dr. Frisch for a total hip replacement, my left hip. I babysit great-grandchildren every day, and I've got a little great-grandbaby that is so big for her age, and I'm carrying her on this hip every day here finally to have a hip replacement. And everybody has been so nice. And went into the hospital 3.5 weeks ago to have this done, and I actually came out of surgery with no pain whatsoever. I had a slight discomfort in the groin area, but that I could live with. The pain before was just horrible every time I had to pick up any of the little children. And Dr. Frisch and Amy, they have been so great, and everybody in the office has been wonderful to me. And I just can't say enough of how happy I am to have it done. My hip, whenever he got in there, was a total mess. He said it was crumbling. So he said it was a rough job to do it, but he got it done, and I'm just ecstatic over the thing, you know. And today I came in to see him for post-op and told him how happy I was and started to cry a little bit, and he gave me a hug and told him he was glad I was doing so happy. So definitely, if you need a hip replacement, come here to see Dr. Frisch and get it done. Thank you.